Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Clear Lake, local and long distance movers near me. Planning relocation can perplex many, and packing can pose a severe challenge. Instead of continually procrastinating your move because of the overwhelming stress, why not employ our local services? We are Clear Lake's proficient local movers, renowned for our professionally handling local relocation within Clear Lake. We have vast knowledge of the city due to our years of facilitating local relocation here. We can conclude your relocation promptly, and our sturdy vehicles is fit for Clear Lake's terrain. You can hire our moving companies for your personal use or get qualified drivers from us to drive yours. Our team will ensure that your belongings are packed from the most fragile to the heaviest and have them boxed and conveyed to your destination effortlessly. We also move your not so easy to move household items and have other priced possessions transported without hitches. Planning your long distance move to Clear Lake? Get in touch with the city's highly recommended movers to handle it. We understand the importance of relocating your belongings to Clear Lake without damaging them and have set up a credible system to handle it. Our system has seen the relocation of over 1 million belongings across the USA and over 190 nations. Our professional approach to relocation stands out. We are highly collaborative and other services tailored to fit our clients' needs. Embarking on long distance relocations with your automobile will only result in extra expenses. Moving interstate demands a rigid procedure that only professional long distance movers can foot. With us, you will have an easy relocation to Clear Lake, and we will handle the documentation of your belongings. Our team of partners will also ensure their safety while in transit, and we have an insurance policy in place for additional security. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Clear Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.